always says breading, already seasoned. Sometimes I have to call in reinforcements. I just do. So, what do? You have your backup plan and get right in to it. It's a little bit of buttermilk and almond milk. I gotta season it up real quick. That's a little disappointing. That's the size. Came out of the AUTRYs. If you could smell it, it smells just like Texas Pete. So that means it's really seasoned. I still gotta add my own. It's like a principle. You just can't fry chicken and then there'll be no seasoning in it. So I can't really, I just can't. So like I said, it smells just like hot wings kind of. So I guess that's the Texas Pete. So we're just gonna bob this a little bit. And now, if you're a Carterian, you already know. Gotta let it drip real good. I'm actually supposed to pat it dry, but I'm not. I'm gonna let the milk stay on it. That we freeze it. We here. I call it freeze our batter onto the yard bud. Drip crispy. I'm gonna get a wet cloth in just a minute. Okay. Gotta keep looking over my shoulder because my husband always surprises me while I'm in the kitchen. So I keep looking over my shoulder. Some people do their their wash with egg or milk. It's been a while since I've done it with milk, so thought I'd give that a go. First time here, go ahead and subscribe. We are a family channel dedicated to coming up with new meals, fun recipes, revisiting the past. Subscribe. In the oven. Thales. Good for everything. So in the oven, I ran out of space. So I had 2 pieces left over. Who knows a Tupperware lady? So we still love Tupperware. Don't you love it? Don't you love it? Don't you love it? Okay. And directly into the it goes. Now I'm not pleased, so there's that little gaping. Smell it. Smell it. Oh. Go ahead and do that. That's a child in the pantry.
I'll get some frosted flakes.
That's sugar.
How do I grab it?
Eh?
How do I get them if I can't reach them?
Frosted Flakes.
Yeah. Bran flakes.
Bran Flakes. Yes, you're welcome to have that.
I can't reach them.
Okay, I'll get them for you. Give me 2 seconds to drop my bird. It scared you?
Ew.
Ew. It's been a while since I've had some yard birds. So, that's what I get to have. I'm probably giving it to the kids or possibly, who knows. We'll all sample it. It's Texas Pete. It's gonna be hot. I got a feeling. It spelled spicy. She's cooking up fast, y'all. So I'm gonna turn her as soon as I find my turning apparatus. sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Bring that fire on up. Going to cook through now. Make sure it cooks through. Thighs are very tender, delicate piece of meat, so it shouldn't take long. About maybe 7 minutes on each side. See how that flake is right there? You want it to lay down now. That's the inside's cooking. You have to poke a knife in it, poke a hole in it. So those inside juices are cooking up. Alright. AUTRY's House AUTRY Texas Pete. Spicy, crispy, you can hear the crunch, delicious. It's fried chicken. Ooh, the spice is there. So you don't need to add your own hot sauce because with Texas Pete AUTRY's, it's all in there. Sorry I don't look beautiful. Thank you for coming. Get you some AUTRY's. Texas Pete.
Not bad. Pretty good.
Can you taste the Pete? Comes in a little late.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. I like it.
Done. And that's not a breast. That's the biggest thighs I've ever seen. And there's your baked thighs. And there's your black rice. Woo!
Eyes head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.